Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you the Asset Manager. Click on the Asset Manager section in the App Designer. This allows you to upload images and documents to your app and makes it easier for you to manage your files. In the middle area you can see all the files that you have uploaded to your app so far. On the right side you have the possibility to search and filter the files. You can search by file name or use filtering by file type. You can assign keywords to each file as you wish in order to structure them. As soon as you have added keywords, they appear as filters on the right-hand side. This allows you to organize and categorize a large number of files quickly and easily. To upload new files, you can either drag and drop them directly from your computer into the Asset Manager or you can use the Upload dialog. You can also drag files into this dialog or click here to select them directly. Once you have selected a file, it will be uploaded and processed. For each photo that you upload, several copies are automatically made in different resolutions. In this way, your app later decides which image variant is best suited for which situation and thus ensures optimal performance. In addition to pictures from your hard drive, you can also add photos to your app from a well-known picture platform. To do this, click on the Upload button and then select the Unsplash tab. With the help of the search function, you can quickly find high-quality images that you can use in your app. If you move the mouse over a file, a small menu will appear in the top right corner. Here you can either download this file or delete it from your library. That's it. Have fun and see you next time.